Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from mobile to laptop or PC. So first up, open up your gallery or photos app and you can see some here. I want to transfer to go and do this. We're going to be using Google Drive. Google Drive is a file sharing platform. I will guide you through this. If you haven't already got it on your phone, open up your phone store and go and search for Google Drive and download it. I already have it, so I can just go and open it up. Now, what we can do is press files in the bottom right. In the bottom right, note that the Google account you're using in the top right, as we need to remember it, and then press the plus and we can go and create a new folder. We can go and press create like so, and then we can go and tap on it and press the plus in the bottom right and press upload. Now we can go and select gallery at the top and we can go and find the photos and select the ones we want to do this with. With them selected, press done, and now they're going to upload. After that's finished, come onto your computer, and then what we can do is go and open a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Come to Google and you need to go to the top right and you need to go and sign in to the same Google account as we can use on your phone. You want to go and find the option My Drive to the left and find the folder you created on your phone. Here is mine. Then you can click on the folder name at the top on the arrow and you can press download. Wait for this to finish. When it's finished, and we have got the photos in here, and it's simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.